Hello, and welcome to day 8, Mabvira Pamwe 2026, where we are so excited and proud to have our young adults leading us today. So I have something that I wrote out for you guys today. To our young people, we are ready for you today. You matter, your life matters, and your choices matter. We love the fact that today you are going to be a blessing to all of us. Today is your day. We want you to know that as children of African descent, especially of Zimbabwean descent, today you are surrounded by aunts, uncles, big sisters, grandparents, pastors, and many more people that love and cheer you on. We are one and we are your village. We want you to know that you are valued. You are not alone. We pray for you. We know that it's not easy for you to be growing up in this world today. It's tough out there, but know that your voice matters. And today you will be using your voices. So we pray and are ready for you. Your story is not over. So don't make any permanent decisions based on temporary pain after this is over today, because you will grow and you're going to find out that there is much more for you guys than anything that you can ever imagine. You have the power. You matter. Your life matters. And there's so much more good waiting for you. And let me tell you, God answers prayers. And when I tell you, you have a village of people that continuously pray for you, you have a village of people continuously praying for you. So never feel like you are alone. To all the parents that are here tonight and that will listen to what the our young ones are presenting tonight, I want to thank you for your faith. Thank you for your prayers. May today be a day that you are proud of each and every one of the young ones that are presenting, as well as those that wanted to present but may not be here tonight. If you have a young one in the home with you that is not presenting, may today be a day that you are proud to have prayed for these young ones that are here today. So here's to your future, and we are ready. God bless you and be encouraged.